We're working on a ventilation issue today. Their attic space was reaching 170 degrees, causing some blistering on their brand new shingles. We did some diagnosis, figured out what was going on. One thing is, you got to have intake air. So this goes up underneath your soffit, lets air in. You got to have equal amount of air coming in that's going out, and this house did not have that. So we're adding some of this to that soffit there. And then if you pan up, you can see we're actually adding solar vent on today. This is Jimmy and Ricardo. They're working on this vent. It is going to be able to replace any other vents that's going on. So this one has a dormer vent, some ridge vent that none of them are working. They're ineffective. So we'll block those off on the inside, and then they're adding this solar vent. We just need one. One of the great advantages of this solar vent that they're putting on right there is one that it's constantly moving air. It's no power being generated from inside, and they get 30% rebate back from their taxes, both on the labor and the material. So it's a great advantage to get a discount on your taxes as well. Your roof protects you. Let us protect your roof.